viral dancing dog videos are going viral on TikTok. These are made using AI, and today I will show you how to make them, and they are super easy. If you enjoy the videos, please make sure to follow my socials. Thank you. We start by logging in to ChatGPT and going to their GPT section, where you can access a range of different prompts. Search dancing dogs, and it should be the first one to pop up. Click on it and wait for it to load. We can now start by uploading a picture of your pet or getting a random one from the internet. For me, I don't have a pet. I just used this Bengal cat which my friend had. Upload the image like so. The image should be uploading. Whilst you wait, write this prompt which asks for the animation and image of your pet in the desired location. The viral ones from TikTok use bathroom sink, but I'm going to use kitchen counter. The prompt should be generating. You just copy it and move on to the next step. We now generate the image using ChatGPT OpenAI, which should be enough, and it is totally free, so this is perfect. Wait for it to generate your image, which should take a couple of minutes. The image should be done. If it's not what you were expecting, you can always tweak it around by giving it more prompts. But for this experiment, it should be good enough. We can now move on to the video section. We can now open Kling AI. You might be thinking, this was meant to be a free tutorial, but if you sign in with Kling AI, you get daily 66 credits, which is enough for one video or 3 videos in 720p. You just need to purchase the subscription one time and refund it. That's how I did, because I'm broke AF. So right now I just uploaded all my images. But if you want to make dancing videos like these ones, which look realistic, just comment it below and I will do it on my next video. After waiting a few minutes for the video to be generated, your results should look something like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.